Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to mathematics online class. So today I am going to start a new chapter, determinants. So already we discussed about matrices. The continuation topic for the matrices is determinants. So what about a determinant? What is a determinant? Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. For any square matrix, we are going to associate a number. That number is called determinant of that matrix. So how we can assign the number? So one by one we will discuss. Suppose if you have a matrix of order 1, if we have a square matrix of order 1, of order means 1 means it contains only one element A. It is a matrix of order 1 by 1. Okay. So for this, what is the determinant value? And how we can represent the determinant value? So determinant value is denoted by det A. We call it as a det A. So two ways we can write det, det, det A. Suppose you have a matrix A. Determinant of that matrix is denoted by det A, or we can write like this also, det A. Between, don't call it as a modulus, it's not a modulus, we call it as a determinant of a matrix. So you can call like this either det A, or like this you can write this also. Both we can call as a det A only. Okay, determinant of a matrix is called as det A, denoted like this, det A, or like this symbol we can write. Okay, na? So in different orders we are going to discuss how to find determinant of a square matrix. The first thing, here we have 1 by 1 square matrix, 1 by 1 square matrix, and we call that as a. Then what is the determinant of this 1 by 1 matrix? Det A equal to, for 1 by 1 matrix, what the element is there in that only is the det value. That only det values. Example, suppose we have A equal to a matrix 2. Means it is a matrix of order 1 by 1. It contains only one row and one column. One row and one column. It is a 1 by 1 square matrix. Then its determinant value det A equal to what the element in that only is a number for determinant. And next thing is, what is the determinant value for a matrix, for a square matrix of order 2 by 2? Okay, here we have a matrix, that 2 by 2 square matrix, and what are the elements? In the first row AB is there, in the second row CD is there. Then what is the determinant of these two matrices? Det A equal to, for a 2 by 2 matrices, how to write, listen ma. So remember, multiply these two corners, A into D, AD minus, and multiply the remaining two, CD, CB, AD minus BC, AD minus BC. That is the determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix. So check here one example. Here also try to understand by an example. Suppose I have a matrix B. Its elements are 1, 2, minus 1, 4. Or else you can take this as minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Then what is the determinant of the matrix B? Determinant means det B. Determinant you have to write in the symbol of this. Like this we can write, or the another symbol is what ma? Det, D-E-T, det. All are small letters. D-E-T, det B. Now what that, how you can calculate this? So multiply these two numbers. It is 1 into 4. 4 minus 3 into 2, it is minus 6. Now calculate this. 4 minus half minus 6 plus 6, 4 plus 6, it is 10. And observe that this is also a number. According to these two examples, what we need to understand means what the determinant value we are going to find. Finally, you got a number. That remember here, determinant value is a number. Here also the determinant value is a number. That's why I told determinant means it is a number associated for a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix is determinant. So for a 2 by 2 matrix, for a 1 by 1 matrix, easily we calculated. Okay na? But when we are going to find determinant value for 3 by 3 matrix, there we need to know about 2 more definitions. Very, very important definitions. Compulsory we should know about those. What are those means? Minor and cofactor. 2 important definitions we should discuss. Those are minor. The first one is minor and the second definition is cofactor. Minor of an element Aij. The second one is cofactor of an element Aij. Minor of an element, cofactor of an element. So okay, first we'll discuss about minor. What is a minor? So minor is also a determinant. Minor of an element is also a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Minor for whom we are going to find? Minor we are going to find for a particular element. Element is of the form Aij. Suppose if I want to find minor of an element Aij, so in the given matrix, first delete the ith row and jth column, then the remaining value determinant only our minor. See example, see here. Suppose you have a matrix A like this, 1 0 2 minus 1 2 1 3 1 4. This is our A matrix. Okay. In this, suppose if I want to find a minor of minus 1. Here what I am going to find? Minor of the element minus 1. Minus 1 where it lies? In which position? Minus 1 lies in the position of minus 1 is nothing but what it is? A 2 1, because it is in the second row first column. It lies in the second row first column. Minus 1 means A 2 1 position. If it is in A 2 1 position, how can I find that minor? Already I told with you, minor means it is a determinant. That's why I use a determinant symbol. After deleting the ith row, jth column, here I value how much? 2. J value how much? 1. 2 means second row. Delete the second row. And 1 means first column. Delete the first column. Then remaining elements if you write here, that determinant value. What the, now it is 2 by 2 now? What is the determinant value? 0 into 4 is a 0 minus 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2. That's why minor of an element A21 you got as a minus 2. Now I think you understood. Minor of an element is nothing but it is a determinant. It is a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. So if you have a confusion, I will write the matter on the board. And minor of an element is denoted by Mij, capital Mij. First, see, write down, let me write. Minor of an element is a determinant. Is a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column, ith row and jth column, and it is denoted by Mij, capital Mij. That's it. Okay, minor of an element is small aij. Minor of an element small aij is a determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column, and it is denoted by Mij. See one more example. Same, take the same matrix. Same matrix, take 1 0 2 minus 1 2 1 3 1 4. Now let us try to find the minor of the element 3. Okay, there we find minor of an element minus 1. Here try to find a minor of an element 3. Minor of an element 3 equal to how much? So 3 means what is the position of this 3? It is in A 3 1, third row, first column. That's why we have to where it lies that row and where it lies that column, both we have to remove. Then with the remaining elements find the determinant. What the remaining elements? 0 to 2 1. 0 to 2 1. Find this determinant value. That is our minor value. 0 into 1 0 minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 is a minor of the element m, and is denoted by what I told? M31 it is. M31 value equal to minus 4, like this. Okay, after completion of this about minor, we are going to discuss about cofactor. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element aij, small aij, is denoted by cofactor of an element small aij is denoted by capital Aij. Remember this. Cofactor of an element small aij is denoted by capital Aij and defined as capital Aij equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. That's it. Mij is what here? That we discussed already in the earlier. What is Mij? Mij is the minor of the element. Okay? For finding cofactor of an element, compulsory we should know about minor of an element also. Got it? So cofactor of an element Aij equal to formula minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. So there only we have a minor for element A21. In the given example, we already discussed the minor of an element A21. Find cofactor of the element A21. Cofactor of element A21 denoted by capital A21. Capital A21 is equal to, substitute in the formula, minus 1 whole power, I value is 2, j value is 1. 2 plus 1 into M21. So here minus 1 whole power, 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 whole cube how much? Minus only na? Minus. And M21 there we calculate how much we have? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. This is a capital A21. Like this we can find minor and cofactors. Got it? So after that, you can ask, okay ma'am, minor, cofactor both we discussed. Then how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix? Okay, I am coming to that point only. Determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay, I will rough all these. Directly we are going to move determinant of a 3 by 3 square matrix. Listen. Let capital A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix means the positions will be like this now. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now determinant way ante det A. Okay. First I will write the definition of that here. I am writing the point here. The sum of product of and elements of a row or column with their corresponding cofactors is called determinant of that matrix. Listen. So determinant, how we define here? Sum of the product of the elements of row or column. Either row you can take or column you can take. But those elements we have to multiply with their corresponding cofactors. Then that addition is a determinant. That meaning is, suppose if I choose the first row, these elements I have to multiply with their corresponding cofactors. Small a11, its corresponding cofactor is what? Capital A11 plus next a12, small a12, its corresponding cofactor is capital A12 plus next one is a13 into capital A13. This is nothing but our determinant of the matrix, det A. Very simple. Then, so how many you can find? I can find by using second row also, third row also, or first column, second column, third column. 6 different ways we can find the determinant value for a square matrix, 3 by 3 square matrix, because we have 3 rows and 3 columns. Any row we can use as well as any column we can use. Got it? Here what I wrote? By using the first row I wrote. Suppose if I want to use the second row for finding the determinant, then what will be the formula? Actually this formula no need to remember, but concept is important. Listen. Let's write another way how we can write this. Small a21 into capital A21 plus small a22 into capital A22 plus small a23 into capital A23. Or by using any column we can write. Suppose if you want to write this determinant value by using a second column, how we can write by using second column? Write down small a12 into capital A12 plus small a22 into capital A22 plus small a32 into capital A32. These are all equal to determinant value. Okay, and I think you gone for very confusion. Don't go, very easy to find the determinant value. Very simple. See, a11 into capital A11, what's that formula? What the formula I given? Capital Aij formula, -1 whole power I plus j into mij. Got it? So that's why here -1 whole power I value 1, j value 1, -1 whole power 1 plus 1 into mij means det of, remove the a11, a22, remaining 4 elements write down, a22, a23, a32, a33. Next plus small a 1 2 into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into det of a 1 2 remove ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ a 1 2 remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ then in which row it is that row and which column it is that column, both remove, remaining 4 elements write down. A21 into A21 A22 A31 A33. Next plus the third one A13 into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 into det of. Now remove A13 row, A13 column. Now these 4 elements remaining. A21 A22 A31 A32. That's it. Okay, this is the definition to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. And how to find the values, how to find by using examples, I will explain in the next class.